Let's create a simple movie review sentiment analyzer in Java using CoreNLP. For that, we need to create a Stanfrd CoreNLP object and pass some properties. Then create an annotation object with a movie review text. Let us implement the getProperties method. In this method, we need to set the annotator property and its value. Let's copy and paste this value. This step is very important. This step is actually analyzing and performing natural language operations behind the scene. Now let's call the annotate method using the Stanfrd CoreNLP object. The annotation object has a get method that will give you the sentiment of a sentence. In this case, the sentence is, "This movie is cool." This is done with the help of sentences annotation class. Selecting the proper class is a bit risky. Okay, that is fine. Let us search this class. Annotation get method returns a map, and from this map we get the actual sentiment string such as positive or negative, etc. Every sentiment class has got a sentiment associated with it. The map will give you the actual sentiment. Let us find the proper sentiment class. Now we can verify the movie review sentence and its sentiment using system.out.println. Let us verify the code and run it. We got a positive sentiment for the review. Let us change the review text and check the result. So we have done a small Java code to analyze the movie sentiments using Java and CoreNLP. You can extend the knowledge learned from this session and apply to your projects.